Hi everyone, good morning. And today video is going to see solution. What is solution? A solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phase. One constituent is usually regarded as a solvent and the others as solutes. Solutions are homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substance. In a solution, the solute is dispersed uniformly throughout the solvent. The solutions is also used. There are many chemicals that plays an important role in our daily life. All these chemicals are different physical forms via solid, liquid, and gaseous phases. If we do closer examinations on their compositions, we could find that most of them are mixture and rarely pure substance. One more interesting aspect is that most of the mixtures are homogeneous irrespective of their physical state, and such homogeneous mixture are called as solutions. The homogeneous mixture, one more interesting aspect it if is that most of the mixture are homogeneous respective of their physical state, and such homogeneous mixture are called as solutions. The seawater is one of the naturally existing solutions which covers more than 70% of Earth's surface. We cannot imagine life on Earth without seawater. It contains many dissolved solids, mostly sodium chloride. Another important naturally occurring solution is air. Air is a homogeneous mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other traces gases. Even solid materials such as brass in a homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. In the above examples, the solutions are in different physical states, viz. Liquid, seawater, gas, for example, air, and solid, example, alloys. And one common properties of all above in their homogeneity. The homogeneity implies uniform distributions of their constituents or compounds throughout the mixture. In this chapter, we learn about the solution and their properties. The topic solutions, how they describe the formations of different type solutions, how the concentrations of the solution different unit, how prepared solutions of record concentration by diluting the stock solutions. Fourth point, state Henry and Rod's law explain the derivations of real solutions from Rod's law. The sixth one, correlate cognitive properties of solutions with the molar masses of their solute. The seventh one, explain the abnormal cognitive properties. The last one, discuss about want have factor and calculate degree of dissociation associations. Today videos discuss about describe the formation of different types of solutions and the express the concentrations of solution is different units. The three states of solutions. First one, solid solutions, liquid solution, gaseous solutions. There are three state of solutions. A solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more substance already discussed, constituting of atoms, ion or molecules. The compounds that is present in largest amount in homogeneous mixture is called the solvent and the other are solutes. For example, sodium chloride dissolved in water. Or small amount of sodium chloride is dissolved in water. A homogeneous solution is apnite. In the solution, sodium cations, chlorine anions are uniformly distributed in water. Here, water is the solvent as the amount of water is more compared to amount of sodium chloride present in these solutions, and the sodium chloride is solute. The commonly used solutions are the solutions in which a solid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. However, solute or solvent can be in any of the three states of matter, solid, liquid, gas. If the water is used as the solvent, the resultant solutions is called as aqua solutions. If solvent other than water is used, then the resultant solution is called as non-aqua solutions. What is aqua solutions? The water is used as the solvent. The resultant solution is called as aqua solutions. Non-aqua solutions: solvent other than water is used, then the resultant solution is called as non-aqua solutions. Solutions: a solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phases. What is aqua solutions? The water is used as the solvent. The resultant solution is called as aqua solutions. What is non-aqua solutions? The solvent other than water is used, then the resultant solutions is called as non-aqua solutions. Another one types and examples of solutions. See the tabular column. First one, solid solutions. Solid solutions, liquid solution, gaseous solutions. First one, gaseous solutions. State of solution, gaseous solutions: solute, gas; solvent, gas. Solute, the mixture of a nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. For example, air, the mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. What is solvent? What is meant by solute? What is solute? A substance that is dissolved in a solution is called a solute. Solvent, a solution is a homogeneous mixture consisting of a solute dissolved into a solvent. The first one, gaseous solutions: solute, state of solutions, solute, solvent. Examples: gas, solute, gas, solvent. For example, air, a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. For example, nitrous dioxide. For example, gases, mixture of air gases, nitrous dioxide. The second one example, liquid, solute, solvent, gas. Oxygen containing waters. For example, oxygen containing water. The third one, gaseous solutions, solid, solute, gas, solvent. Chamber in nitrogen gas. Chamber in nitrogen gas. For example, chamber in nitrogen gas. Second one, state of solutions, liquid solutions, gas, solute, liquid, solvent. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water, carbonated water. Second one, solute, liquid, solvent, liquid, liquid, liquid. Ethanol dissolved in water. Ethanol dissolved in. The two phases are same phase, liquid and liquid. Solute, liquid phase; solvent, liquid phase. Two phases are same phase, liquid phase. Ethanol, liquid phase. In water, liquid. Ethanol dissolved in water. The third one, solid, solute, solvent, liquid. Salt water. Salt water. Water dissolved in salt. Salt water. The third one, solid solutions, solute, gas, solvent, solid. Solutions of H2S, H2 in palladium. The second one, liquid, solid, liquid phase, solid phase, amalgam of potassium used for dental filling. The two phases of same phase, solid phase, solute, solid phase, solvent, solid phase. Gold alloy of copper used in making jewelry. Copper, Cu added Au, product making for jewelry. The next topic, expressing concentrations of solutions. Our life, we have come across many solutions of varying strengths or concentrations, such as mouthwash, antiseptic solutions, household, etc. Have you ever noticed the concentrations of the ingredients present in those solutions? For example, chlorohexane, hexidine mouthwash solutions containing 0.2 percentage, hexidine gluconate. The concentrations of the commercially available hydrogen peroxide is 3%. Similarly, other terms such as parts per million, molar and normal are used to express the concentrations of the solutions. The concentration of solutions gives the amount of solute present in a given quantity of solvent. As we have seen, There are different ways of expressing the concentrations of a solutions. Let us learn the different concentration term and to prepare a solutions or specific concentrations. See the tabular column, different concentration units and their installations. Concentrations term, expression, installations. First one, molality, number of moles of solute by mass of the solute. Number of moles of the solute by mass of the solvent. Very important tabular column. Molality, number of moles of solute by mass of the solvent. Illustration, the molality of the solution containing 45 gram glucose dissolved in 2 gram of water. Glucose mass of weight 180. Number of moles of solute 45 gram by 180. 45 gram means solutions containing solutions 45 gram. Glucose mass weight 180 by mass of solute 2 is equal to 0.25 divided by 2, 0.125 molality. The another one, molarity. Molality small m, molarity capital M. The next one topic, molality capital M. The number of moles of solute by volume of solutions. For example, illustrations, 5.845 gram of sodium chloride in dissolved in water and the solutions was made up to 500 ml using a standard flask. The strength of the solution is molarity is a number of moles of solute 5.845 by a mass of sodium chloride dissolved in water 58.4 by volume of solutions 0.5. So 5.845 by 58.45 0.1 by 0.5 volume of solution 0.5 is equal to cancel 0.2 molarity. Today video is over. Another topic is discuss about tomorrow. Thank you.